Here's a quick win for your internet that almost nobody talks about. If you're still using the default DNS on your router, you're probably leaving speed, privacy, and reliability on the table. DNS is the phone book of the internet. It translates names like example.com into numbers your devices understand. Most routers ship set to your ISP's DNS. It works until it doesn't. Here's the problem. ISP DNS can be slow, it can go down, it can log where you go online, which gets used for analytics or ads. Some even hijack typo pages or censor certain sites. And when the DNS has an outage, everything feels broken, even if your connection is fine. Let me make it worse. You might think your Wi-Fi is slow, but it's actually your DNS adding delay to every click. Streaming takes longer to start, apps spin, and smart home gadgets time out. On public scandals, big sites get hammered. Slow DNS makes that pain worse. And if your ISP injects a helpful search page when you mistype a URL, that's tracking you. Okay, fix time. You can swap to a faster, privacy-respecting DNS in minutes. Popular choices: Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. Fast, privacy first. Google 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Reliable everywhere. Quad 9 9.9.9.9 blocks known malware domains. OpenDNS 208.67.22, 222, and 208.67.220.220. Optional parental controls. AdGuard, customizable blocking and logs you control next DNS. Customizable blocking and logs you control. Here's how to change it on your router so every device benefits. 1. Find your router's address, usually 192.168.1.1, 192.168.1.1. Type it in your browser. 1. Log in. If you've never changed the password, do that after this. 1. Look for Internet WAN DHCP settings. Find DNS servers. 1. Turn off Obtain DNS automatically if you see it. Enter 2 servers from the list I gave. 1. Save and reboot the router. After it's back, verify. Go to dnsleaktest.com. 1.1.1.1 help and make sure the resolver matches what you set. On Windows, run ipconfig flushdns. On Mac, sudo diskashutel, flushcache, sudo killall, hup mdns responder. On phones, just toggle airplane mode. Advanced tip enable DNS over HTTPS, DOH, DNS over TLS, DOT if your router supports it. That encrypts DNS lookups so your ISP can't peek or tamper. If your router can't, you can enable DOH per device. Chrome, Firefox, iOS, Android all support it. Potential gotchas. Some ISPs lock DNS on their gateways. You might need to put their modem in bridge mode and use your own router. If you use ISP voice or TV boxes, they may rely on the default DNS. Test carefully.